Question says, what is the difference between effusion and diffusion? We should check all that applies. First one says diffusion is a mixing of different gases by random molecular motion and with frequent collision. Diffusion. Effusion is a mixing of different gases by random molecular motion with frequent collision. That is absolutely not true. D is not true. The rate of diffusion of a gas is inversely proportional to the square root of its mass. Nope, not at all. While the rate of effusion is directly proportional to the square root of its mass. Not at all. The D part says the rate of effusion, right, of a gas is inversely proportional to the square root. Yep, that is absolutely true. And that's Graham's law of diffusion.